Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check exactly how much cellular data the YouTube app is using on your mobile device, and how to manage that usage if you need to. It's simple once you know where to look, so let's get started. On your phone, swipe down on the home screen and tap the Settings gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps section and open it. Now use the search bar at the top and type YouTube. Then select the YouTube app from the results. Inside the YouTube app settings, look for the option called Data Usage and tap on it. Here you'll see a breakdown of how much mobile data the app has used during the current cycle. If the app has been using data, you'll see the exact numbers right here. Below that, you can also manage a few important settings. For example, you can allow or block background data usage by toggling the switch on or off. And if you want YouTube to always have access to mobile data, even when data saver's on, you can enable unrestricted data usage right here. That's all it takes to keep track of YouTube's data consumption and control it when needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe for more easy tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.